Bar, Switzerland. The Schiller Group has been producing cutting-edge medical technology since it was established in 1974. Hardware and software development has always been the company's core competence. The perfect interaction between device, software and user stands for Schiller's excellence. In Bar and in European competence centers, Schiller is developing the latest technologies. Precise recordings, accurate interpretation and smart networking continue to be Schiller's focus. Schiller's production site in Switzerland, where high-quality components are assembled in a modern production facility. The result is a range of high-end medical devices, such as those used for patient monitoring in the strong magnetic field of an MRI. Public access defibrillators are among the most important devices in Schiller's product range. Smart life-saving devices guide first responders through the rescue process and can request professional assistance online. Every Schiller device is carefully checked and passes through strict quality controls. Patients and physicians trust in Schiller's sophisticated technology and rely on precise measurement data and evaluation. For Schiller, customers come first. Instructions, training and service are carried out to the highest standards. Schiller devices are robust and long-lasting, even under the most demanding continuous operation. Today, Schiller is an internationally leading global enterprise with over 1,000 employees, 30 subsidiaries, as well as an international sales, support and service network. Schiller is your partner in diagnostics and saving lives.